Chili peppers. They add a kick to dishes around the world, but have you ever stopped to think about where these fiery pods came from? The story of the chili pepper is a global journey. It started in the Americas. Now, chili peppers are a staple in cuisines on every continent. It's a story of exploration, trade, and cultural exchange. Imagine a world without the sizzle of Sichuan dishes or the heat of Hungarian goulash. Chili peppers have transformed the way we eat and experience flavor. This fiery fruit has a rich history. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, chili peppers have left their mark on the world. Join us as we explore the fascinating journey of the chili pepper. Get ready to discover how this small but mighty ingredient has revolutionized global cuisines. Let's go back in time. Chili peppers were first cultivated in the Americas thousands of years ago. Archaeological evidence suggests that chili peppers were a part of ancient diets in Mexico and Central America. Imagine the excitement of early civilizations discovering this fiery fruit. These early chili peppers weren't just a source of flavor. They were also used for medicinal purposes. Ancient cultures recognized the power of the chili pepper. They used it to treat everything from pain to digestive issues. From these humble beginnings, chili peppers became an integral part of life in the Americas. They were used in religious ceremonies, traded as a valuable commodity, and of course enjoyed as a delicious addition to meals. The chili pepper's legacy was already well established long before it embarked on its global journey. Fast forward to the 15th century. Christopher Columbus, in his search for a new route to the East Indies, stumbled upon a very different kind of treasure: the chili pepper. He mistakenly believed he had reached India. That's how chili peppers got their name. Columbus brought chili peppers back to Europe. This sparked a culinary revolution. Europeans, accustomed to milder flavors, were initially hesitant about the intense heat of the chili pepper. But it wasn't long before the chili pepper's unique flavor and versatility won them over. Chefs and home cooks alike began experimenting with this exotic new ingredient. They incorporated it into their traditional dishes. The chili pepper's journey from the Americas to the world had begun. Section 4. The spice trade, chili peppers, conquer the world. The popularity of chili peppers spread like wildfire thanks to the burgeoning spice trade. Portuguese traders, quick to recognize the value of this fiery commodity, carried chili peppers to their colonies in Africa and Asia. Imagine the excitement as these vibrant red pods arrived in new lands. They ignited a passion for heat and flavor that would transform culinary traditions across the globe. From the bustling markets of India to the street food stalls of Thailand, chili peppers found a welcome home in diverse cuisines. They were adapted and incorporated into local dishes, adding a fiery kick to curries, stews, sauces, and more. The chili pepper's global conquest was well underway. Section 5. India's fiery embrace: chili peppers in cuisine and Ayurveda. Chili peppers arrived in India with the Portuguese in the 15th century. They quickly became an integral part of the culinary landscape. Today it's hard to imagine Indian cuisine without its signature fiery kick. From the Vindaloo curries of Goa to the spicy chutneys of the south, chili peppers add depth, complexity, and of course heat to countless Indian dishes. But the chili pepper's influence in India goes beyond the kitchen. In Ayurveda, India's traditional system of medicine, chili peppers are believed to have numerous health benefits. They are used to improve digestion, boost metabolism, and even alleviate pain. The love affair between India and the chili pepper is a testament to this fiery fruit's versatility. It has been embraced not only for its flavor, but also for its medicinal properties. The chili pepper has truly become an essential part of Indian culture and cuisine. Section 6. A world transformed: the chili pepper's culinary impact. The chili pepper's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. From its humble origins in the Americas to its global dominance, this fiery fruit has left an indelible mark on cuisines worldwide. Think about the sheer variety of dishes that owe their signature heat to the chili pepper: the smoky heat of Spanish chorizo, the fiery kick of Hungarian goulash, the slow burn of Sichuan hot pot. Each of these dishes showcases the chili pepper's versatility and its ability to transform flavors. But the chili pepper's influence goes beyond individual dishes. It has shaped culinary traditions, inspired countless variations, and even brought people together through a shared love of heat. The chili pepper's journey is a testament to the power of food to connect cultures and create a more flavorful world. Section 7. Beyond the heat. The health benefits of chili peppers. The chili pepper's appeal isn't limited to its flavor. This fiery fruit also packs a nutritional punch. Chili peppers are a good source of vitamins, antioxidants, and capsaicin. Capsaicin is the compound that gives chili peppers their heat. It also has pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that consuming chili peppers may offer a range of health benefits. These include boosting metabolism, improving heart health, and even reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. So the next time you reach for that bottle of hot sauce, remember that you're not just adding flavor but also giving your body a healthy boost. The chili pepper is a true gift from nature. It is a testament to the fact that some of the tastiest foods can also be the healthiest. So embrace the heat, explore the world of chili peppers, and discover the endless possibilities of this fiery and flavorful fruit.